So today we got a lot to do on the car. We're gonna try and pull the wheels off, clean all the rocks out of the under. What, kids?
You know, is that okay to have a troll from Smash?
Sure. Knock yourself out.
I already have one.
Okay, knock yourself out. So we're gonna pull the wheels. We gotta get all the gravel out of the undercarriage and the rear drum brakes. We gotta pull that axle just to make sure that we didn't jack it up when we sent the wheel. And we also gotta replace one wheel stud. So we got a lot to do today. I actually don't think this is gonna take all that long, man.
That was easy.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Dad, Lily poop.
Well, we got a tire off. One tire. All day. Yep. Till next time? Yeah. Later, man. See ya.
Ain't nothing but a G thing, baby. Too loped out niggas, so we're crazy. Death Row is the label that pays me. Unfadable, so please don't try to fake this. But back to the lecture at hand. Perfection is perfected, so I'ma let them understand. 1, 2, 3 into the 4. Snoop, Doggy Dogg, and Dr. Dre is at the door. Ready to make an entrance, so back on up. Cause you know we're about to rip shit up. Give me the microphone first so I can bust like a bubble.